Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorial how to edit layout. So if you want to edit layout, you can go to layout tab. In there I will go into layout 1. And if you want to change this layout paper size like into A4, you can create rectangles with A4 paper size. In here for length I will set into 297 and then for width 210. So this is for the A4 paper size. Now you can right click in layout, go to page setup. Now you can choose for the printer or plotter. I will use this printer. For paper size, this is A4 paper size. And then you can choose the window selection. Click this icon and then click from counterpoint to the bottom here. After it, for scale, you can set into 1, 1. And then don't forget to click center on page. This. Now you can click preview. So this is for the preview. Click close. And then you can click OK. So the layout will be changed into A4 paper size. So you can delete this previous layout. Okay, that's it for basic BricsCAD tutorial how to edit layout. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.